Okay, so one of my previous videos, I had a single phase test set. Now what I've added some extra bits to it, and I've stuck it in this box. Now, underneath it is a three-phase energy reference. I'm still working on code for this, and I'm still working on code for that, but it's hard to finalize anything when it's really hard to create current and voltage signals. So I thought I have to get myself into gear and build something to create, some channels, they're voltage and current channels. So that's what I've done. So this has given me single phase. My next step after this is going to build an extra one of these that goes underneath, and it's like a booster, but it'll also give me three phase. So I've worked out a way of taking single phase channels and then shifting them 120 degrees and then shifting them 120 degrees. So I'm going to create all synchronized currents and volts shifted. So if I shift one current angle, they all move together, not independently for now. I'll show you on the computer what it looks like when it's working. Okay, so this is the information coming from the reference. You've seen in an earlier video. I'm going to plug that into there. Okay, so down this side we've got some info with the phasor diagram over here. All right, so what you can see is I can manually adjust these. So I can either do it manually like this. So the whole idea is to be able to set it without a computer, so I don't have to, run multiple programs. But then if I wanted to automate something, have the computer there to do its bit. So I'm just going to boost up the volts coming out of it. All right, so we can see the voltage. Let's go a bit higher. There we go. That's pretty close to where I want it to be. All right, so let's get the current up. So that's about 2 amps. Can adjust the phase angle. Now I've got to fix all the code, to make this perfect in the sense of the angles and things, because whoever wrote the library sort of didn't get to this bit, so I'm gonna have to finish it off for them. So I can change the angle by just spinning this knob. Yeah. So you can sort of see on the screen there it's doing its bit. All right, so the next couple of weeks I'm going to have a three-phase expansion unit underneath. So if you want to see that, come back and check it out. All right, thank you.